Okay, hello. It's Ming again, and this is another stream session of developing from quarter to 11. Not much that I will say today, since like I know that I skipped 1 week of streaming. But yeah, that week was really a hard week for me, especially the fact that I actually missed the lesson on Sunday because a certain event that actually leaves me very vulnerable in the morning. Last Sunday I actually woke up at 3 a.m. and it actually hurts really much regarding my well-being. So last week I decided to work off stream. Not so much process that I already made, but at the moment I kind of happy to report that I am quite close to my current target regarding the project at the moment. So let me update you really quick, and then we will start our working session today. And for your information, I will end this stream at 5 p.m. So maybe it's actually a good thing for me to set the countdown. Today is the 5th, right? And I want to set the countdown to 17. I hope that will work. Yes, it is working. You can begin to see the time remaining is counting down. So we will sit here for about 2 hours, and I will try to finish the unfinished business within today as well. So my goal is we get the attendance module working today, which the distance from the current point to that result will only be one API implementation, 1 or 2, because I need an API to get the unit attendance list, and then I actually need to test the API for updating that as well, so I can begin to do the attendance manually on the phone. And then if we still have time left, then maybe we will try to make the current state of the app. We take the current state of the app and make it a progressive web app. So that is the plan. I don't know if I will hit that goal, but let's go, I guess. Yeah, I guess let's go and see how far that we already go. Before that, I actually want to update you what I already did. So yeah, I think let's just get started. So this is the front end that I will open up right now. So npm run dev, not that one, this dev right here. And I will actually want to close Zen immediately because that is not the one thing that I want. Going to the backend, I want to go turn on and run the Postgres database first, and then we'll go flash run. So the API is up now. Hold on a second. Did I already pull the latest code down? Because I already have something. Okay, that's good. Now let's see. If I open Chrome right now, you will see that I actually will put it over here so you can actually see it better. So this is the current app. I will want to clear out the cookies because I already logged in for testing already. But if I go here now, you will see that this is the thing that you will see right when you open the app for the first time. I actually need to deal with that no notification, because it should not show like this the first time you open the app, right? That is actually not good. But I can actually log in now. And that is the incorrect. Valid information is still invalid. Hold on. Anyway, right? I don't know where's the images. Where's the image of Cursor here, but I guess we're good with that. We can load up the class, the unit list right here that we have. And if you still think that is the fake data, then no, I already load that up. So if I refresh the page again, you will see that the list that you are currently seeing here is actually the result of this API being called and executed. So we're actually fine on that one. And if I go here, which is this tab here, maybe I will hide that for the moment. This list here is also from the API, and I already did a little bit of things over here. Or not. Hold on a second. Why it is not working? Because it should work already. We found the unit. Yes. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, we have internal server error from the API. What the heck is happening? Oh, what the heck here? Okay, I messed up a bit. Hold on a second. Wait, I think it's called the wrong one. Wait a sec. It's actually called. This is now the time that I actually need to do the debug now. Hold on a second. What was the API that is called? Let me refresh the page again. Oh, API units, that is correct. So if I go to the blueprints here, we actually need to see the unit here, which is this one right here, which is good. The get here is wait, hold on a second. So this is the unit schedule, right? Wait, hold on. Why it's actually called that one? Wait, hold on. I guess we don't have the type at the moment. Or maybe I write this in an incorrect way. Hold on. I guess I write this in an incorrect way because this is actually regarding this drop down box right here, the date of the attendance, and somehow I missed that. So what the heck? Hold on a second. Am I getting the incorrect unit schedules? I guess I was wrong here. Oh wow, okay, I was wrong. I was so wrong about that one. Okay, hold on. I was wrong. So this is not how it should be. What I want to is this. Going up here, going here, get unit schedule, and I want to pass in the unit code. Yeah, and that's actually me mess up. Right, let's refresh the page again, and it should work right now. 200, and I can choose the date that I want to have the attendance check, and also the like the type of the attendance done. I want to check the mass or check the lesson. And if I change it to the other week, then you see that the thing down here is changed. Actually, I actually need to clear this one also when I check that one, which I will do now really quickly. That is the unit details, I believe, and I will want to not the details, attendance check. I want to clear out the change, select the type option, back to none. That is good. Now I change it here. I choose some. It clear out. That's fine. We are achieving that. Okay, so that's what I'm currently at. But yeah, I will actually need to continue working. So we actually still have the whole thing down here that need to be working. So I actually need to list this one out. Try to have it. Try to have the those buttons work in a correct way, and then hopefully I can actually finish the attendance check here within this stream now, which we have like about 2 hours and 10 minutes to do. So let's get into it. Again, before I actually focusing, this is Carter211. You can find me at twitch.tv/Carter211, YouTube at youtube.com/@Carter2112024, and Facebook at facebook.com/Carter211. Thank you very much, and please follow. That will be a huge help. Let's do it, guys. Okay, I will begin focusing now with some music in the background. Yeah. 5 and 2. Okay. So there's 5 and 2. Wow. goodness. Oh, what I am doing here? Hold on. So that's wait, hold on. Am I correct to handle that like this? So we have oh no, we haven't. That is correct. Let's see. That's strange. That is really strange because the value is actually approximate. So maybe I was a bit wrong there. Wow. This is correct, so why value dot value? is a bit strange, right? This is a bit strange, but yeah, I will try to make it happen. This is really strange when I actually do this. What is this? I don't know, but at least it should run now. It's run correctly. It's run correctly. Okay, beauty. I mean, this is like the kind of information I need. So UI. I don't know if it's just me or this view behaves a little bit odd. So let me actually try to open it in another browser. Let's say Gen browser, and let's go for this one. The UI will look a little bit odd because, well, this is another browser. What the heck is this? Hold on. It's not just me, but this one seems to be a bit strange regarding the render. Okay. I already put VIF in, but there's something that prevents it from actually being displayed from the get-go, right? So let's say I'm going this. Oh, this is back to null now, but this is not displayed yet. Hold on a second. Wait. Let me actually try to fix that. That is like a UI error there that I fixed that I actually want to fix now. I say that it is normal. Is it? No, it's not working. I don't know what's happened there, but that's strange. That's so strange. Okay. Okay, what is this remote? Maybe that is because this. Whoa, let's say. two options, which is good. I guess I am good. This should be more. This is why, okay. Oh, this is why, I understand now, okay. Oh, I understand now, so this is the reason that we actually have a bit of place there. Oh, this is the remote, okay. Oh, yeah. Let's move those two up. Oh, yeah. Understand. That's why. Oh, that is why. That is so correct. We have this kind of model. me print this out to see. That status is correct. Good. Now I need to actually change to something like this and make sure that it really works for a certain date, right? So it's time now for a post request. All right. Okay, so as you can see, I already make this page at least at the moment work as I want it to be. So that's really fine. Next now, I really would need to have this to work in reality, which means another API and another code every single time I change this. Maybe with a loading, I don't know, but we will try to see if that is the case. First, I actually want to try to have something like disabled button or something like that. So let's see if I can do that or not. And then we will play around with the post API that I will use for updating the information there. We are currently starting at a stage where we don't really have anything in the table yet. So the idea here is basically normally by default every single thing here will say absent, right? And then if when I do the attendance check, I will check for anyone who present at that time, which means when I click on here, it will call the API and add one entry into that table. If that entry is already there, I come back and I check this one. It will keep that entry, not deleted it, but updated the status to absent. So the table regarding so the table regarding the attendance check will be a bit I will say dynamic, since I don't actually need to insert everything in. I only need to insert in the most happy cases whose have who's presented at the time, and I can actually keep everything else, like if they are absent at that time and they don't notify that I don't actually need to do anything on that. Maybe that is also a good thing for me to just like, because I already have a default data, I maybe want to do something else, that I only insert the data in that table if they are present or they are absent but with some notification. If they are not, then if they are absent and don't have any notification, then maybe I will just delete that entry from the table. I don't know what is the best at the moment, but for now I will just try to insert the table. And the worst case scenario for a week, for a type of attendance, mass or lesson, I will only have, like, if it's my class, I will only have 32, not 32, but normally 24 students that are present every week, right? But like on the real list of my class, there is 32 entries, 32 students. So that means the worst case scenario that for each type there, I only need to insert 32 entries in that table. And of course I could try to have some way to, I don't know, partition, indexing the table somehow so I can actually move a little bit faster. Because I will really need to limit the amount of data that I actually want to put in that table, since it will be a bit big, right? That table will be one of the big table in the in our application. So yeah, I think that's it for the explanation. I hope that you can get it. Let's get to the main part of making this part of attendance work. And again, I'm focusing again now, so enjoy the music by GameJobs, gamejobs.com. Hopefully I get it right. Hold on a second. So yeah, gamejobs.com. They're available on Spotify, they're available on Apple Music, even YouTube Music as well. So if you like gaming, you like music, you like something to chill, then check out gamejobs.com. Okay, let's get back to work. I don't think that works. I don't think that works. Hold on. If it's work, then I will be very surprised. Go back here, because if that's what, then I actually need to see something inside this table, right? Yeah, not working. Wait, maybe it's not working because I haven't commit that or something? I think so, maybe. I need to, oh, I actually need to commit that, okay. Oh, we actually need to commit that, okay. Hold on, did I actually have something that I actually commit over here or inside there? Maybe I actually cover it inside there, so it's actually created already. Okay. So db.session.commit. I don't know if it is a good thing or not, but let's just do that. And if it's not working here, like later on, then I might actually move it out to the blueprint. But let's see if it's correct for putting things inside there. Save it again and checking done. Do we actually have any data here now? Oh wow, we have it. Oh yeah, we actually have it. And now if I go back here, another check now, that is number 5, right? So I guess that is this week and mass. Oh, it worked! Oh, it worked! It worked correctly! Oh! I am a pro. It actually worked right from the get-go. Okay. Real talk, that API was not tested before. I haven't fixed or touching any part of that API to fix yet. I am still thinking that there will be something happening, but at least for now, I am happy with what I already achieved. That worked. So yeah, because if you look at here, if I change the thing here really quickly, then this is the order data. This is another data. This is the lesson data on the same date, and it's actually getting the correct data over here. If I go here, it's actually worked already because I already have one entry in that table that I just try to add it, which is good. I will try another thing now. If I say this is absent and this is notify absent, and I save it, how the thing will look like. It's actually work here as well. So bang, we are on that. We are on. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, at least I achieved something already. Yeah, beauty. Okay. So now everything that I need to do is I think the APIs work correctly. Maybe I will hit something else later, but for now, let me celebrate a little bit, and then we will continue to focus on what we are currently doing, and that is making the interaction on the front end a real thing, which is the thing that I will begin to do now. Let's do it. So basically, that API that I just tried to call here, we want to do the same thing in case of someone changing the data over here, or click here. We will want to loading and updating the data over there. Is that clear? I hope it's clear. Okay, let's do it, guys. Okay, let's see if it's work now. I have the dev tools running, so hopefully it will be. Let's see the date, this one, and I go here, check 200, that is good. If I refresh the page now, choosing the same thing, that is good. I check here, I say this one, refresh the page again, that worked correctly. Okay, so we're good. Of course, if I am throttling a bit, you will see that we will actually have a bit problem of yeah, I think you can see that, right? The API is still calling and this one is still processing. Oh, I can actually see what we are currently having here, so yeah. Yeah, but at least we have things working at the moment. But as you can see that we are really having a bit problem of interaction there. So I will actually want to have some like loading or something. Some loading speed. So when the backend is doing the attendance check, updating the data, then I don't want to have anything going on, right? But hold on, let's see. How much time am I actually waiting? If I change here, that will be about like 100. Oh yeah, I think we're actually getting a very good number here. So like less than 100 millisecond, which is a really good thing for me. So yeah, I will say that is a success, right? Yeah, so now let's add some loading things going on, so at least we know that there is something going on with the page, right? Yeah, let's see. That's my mom. If I disable the thing, am I actually mark? I can actually mark them disabled and like with the same thing here. Have a read only. We actually have a read only mode here. So if I refresh the page again, I hope that it will display read only. It is read only now. It cannot be it can still be clicked, but it's actually not triggered anything, so that's good. This one right here is as well. I actually want to do something regarding that one. Okay, so we're actually good on that. Now let's try to do something else. I actually want to have some like loading state. So I don't know if Cursor will actually have like a loading state or something. Plugins loading. I guess we can do that because cards are having something built in that I think that might help. So let me see. we have oh, this is actually very interesting. Wow, wait, hold on. What is better? What is better? What is better? What is better? This is outside of a view component. This is the inside of a view component. Wow, I don't know. Let me try to do this. We have this part right here. Wow, yeah, use cursor. And I can actually do this as well because we already within thing, like within a view component already. Wow. So let's grab this, scroll down to here. When I do the populate attendance entry, the update attendance, let's go with this dot show loading. No, dot loading dot show. Let's keep it like that, and we will do hi very quickly there. So if I reload the page now, I choose the date again, and now if I throttling and clicking on here, is it not working? Oh, it is read only. Hold on. It is read only. Hold on a second. No, I don't want you to read only. Refresh the page again. Not throttling again. Let's see if the loadings actually happen or not. This part right here, this part right here, and now I am throttling to 3G, and go. Okay, going down here a bit. I guess I actually need to pass something in. Keep it like that. I don't know if it works or not, but disable throttling. Choose date again. 3G. And go. Oh, chưa quét. That's my mom for your information. Có ngồi làm gì đâu, ngồi làm thôi mà chứ có làm cái gì đâu. No idea. Wow, what is undefined? What the heck? This is within the setup, okay? So that is queue.loading. So on prop are optional. That is strange, because that should work, right? And here it's telling me that there is something undefined. Haha. Update attendance. What am I looking at? I don't know. Hold on. I just tried to add a loading and now everything crashed down on me. Dang it. Okay, I know. It worked fine now. Only happen if chẳng biết nữa. Cái phòng này có đóng cửa nó vẫn bụi. Yeah, I am wondering why it's not working. My bad, sorry. Actually need to add it into the plugin here. So course config. No loading. Finally we have it. Should work now, I hope. Yeah. Yeah, let's try to do this again, and I hope that I will see the loading now if I throttle. It is now loading. That work. And the loading is actually like for the whole app, so that's also a good thing, right? So if I do like no throttling, nearly nothing. Nearly nothing. Okay. Nearly nothing loaded. Alright. I begin to see that I will want to have this loading here as well. And I also want it to be, I don't actually need it here, right? Because, oh yeah, it's good. But I will want it to load when I do this part right here. Loading show, loading height. It is too fast, but let's slow it down. I change the thing. It is loading, as you can see, that is good. And if I change here, it is good as well. So yeah. Đâu? Có đâu? Con cuốn à? Khiếp. Okay, we're good. What is the inner loading, by the way? Wait, hold on. Maybe this is a better way. Like, yeah, I actually can keep doing things simple like this, or I can go a bit extreme and do loading for every single component that has interaction on them. Okay, let's do things in a simple way first, and then we will try to do things in a more better way if I basically have a chance. But at the moment, things currently working, which is good. Let me actually clean the things here. But yeah, the API for what? For the attendance check is now done. So let me demo things very quickly here. That yeah, let's just do it. So oh, I don't actually have any way to log out, right? I will edit later. And for the moment, I will do something interesting for logout, and that is clearing the cookies, hacking the things a bit. Yeah, so we're logged out now. I know that I will actually need to handle those two things, because like if it is the first time you're being thrown in here and you still see that, it is bad. I don't want that. So I will fix that later. But now if I can go here and log in, this one, we're in. If I go here, my class, I will add some like something here to replace this tab right here at the moment, because this tab will work later, I hope. I will actually need to do this tab later regarding what is being shown on here, but I can see the information of every student in the class, and I can go here and say, oh, changing the date, doing the attendance, everything I wanted, right? So if I say here, I change the date to last week, yes, on there, go here, and I will go here. If I go back here, go here, yeah, that actually worked pretty well. Okay, that's nice, I will keep it. And if I go here again, you will see that we actually have things working here, so that is good. I will comment everything up now. Before that though, let me go here a bit. Wait for me a bit, please. Unit details, right? I will want to have some loading here going on here as well. Import from cursor, and I will say use cursor, right? Go here, I do the cons q, use cursor, and this one I will say loading dot show, and then I will do loading dot hide. I just realized that there may be a better way that I can actually do it once when any API comes, right? Maybe I actually can do that in the boot when I am doing the API things, right? But yeah, that will be for okay, I will say that will be for another day. For now, everything at the moment is actually good for me. So if I go back here now and do things in a very quick way as well, I go I don't know, let's see if I go, where is that again, throttling. If I refresh the page again, it is throttling really badly. Very many things is currently loading. Because we are on localhost, that means like nearly every single thing will be immediate, right? So I actually need to throttling to do demo a bit there. That things is currently loading. So if I choose this class right here, will it work? Oh, it actually need to wait a bit until it can work. But that loading is really good, as you can already see. Wait, is that a good thing? Hold on. Yes, going here. We have everything that can actually do. And this is the attendance tab that is currently loading right there. Click here, it is loading now. And I think in the real case using it should be better, right? I hope that it will be. I hope that it will be, yeah. I really hope that. But like if it's fast enough, then you will not really see any loading. Or it just load a little bit there like that, right? That one is good. Cursor beyond the framework. Hold on. What? Yeah, where the index page? This is the router, I know. Yes, access. I actually want to find that page again, index page. This is Q page. Yeah, let's just keep it like that. I don't care. Q page, I think I know that what that is. I guess this is in the Q page as well or not. Okay, hold on. Let me logging out again. Okay. Okay, I guess it could be like that one. Index page, the router. Oh yeah. Okay, keep it like that. Yes. Alright, we are good. Now, let's do the commit. And oh, actually before committing, hold on a second. Let me actually add a loading here as well. So student list. And we have here as well. Oh, this is not the place. I actually want to go here. Oh no, not here, unit list. I actually want to go to the list and do the before mount very quickly. Okay, we're good. It is loading, as you can see, and I believe that I am not throttling at all. Oh, because I actually need to hide it. But at least I know that thing's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So we're good. Yeah, let's do a commit there, and I will say complete attendance check, upload, and here as well I actually fixed something as well, right? Quite many. Complete attendance check. Okay. So that is a thing. We still have 18 minutes left, so let me sit here and figure it out how to make this application a progressive web app. I don't know if we can actually test it using localhost, but let's see. Okay, so to do that, I want to apply something. Do we have cursor? Oh wow, we don't. Okay. Yeah, how to run this? Hold on a second. Wait. Bin npm run cursor. Do you have it? We don't really have that, right? Cursor package. So we don't really have the command for running cursor CLI, right? We actually have it here. Hold on a second. So here I go, node modules. Bin dot bin cursor. I guess we can do this, right? I don't know. Let's see if that will work or not. But yeah, mode at PWA. It is doing something regarding PWA for us, and we have a new thing here called source PWA. That is good. Okay, so now build commands. So the thing cursor depth here will change to cursor depth mod PWA. I don't know that it will work, but let's see. And that will be npm run def. Okay. And where's my Chromium? Wait, hold on. That will be 902, right? So checking if things still work. Huh? What? Oh, course error. Hold on a second. Yeah, because the thing is already changed, so need to switch that to, yeah, that is something. I will actually need to inject things again. Hopefully it will work now. Okay. Yeah, it worked again. So this is the PWA already being enabled, but it is not done yet because now is the fun part right on the login page. Let's clean the thing. Clean it. Refresh. Yes, 902. Beautiful. Now, so we can already install that, but there's one more thing that I want to have a little bit of banner up here saying that, hey, this is a progressive web app. Click here to install if you haven't done that. So I completely forgot how to do that already, but let's see. At least now I can say to you that I already can install that onto my machine already, and that worked really well. But it's not now at the moment, because I want to have it also having a banner up here saying that it is ready. You can press here to install. So let's do that. And to do that, I don't know what to look at now. Because like surely I will want to have some installation pop up. Okay, let me try to see how to do that. And for your information, we only have about 10 minutes of our stream, so maybe I will do this offline, but just stay with me before we're done, right? We will sit here with each other until the time's run out, okay? So I know that I have some banner that I can use to do that, right? With inline action here, we have everything we need here, right? The thing is how to make it happen. Okay, so this is like the native, right? Yeah, let me actually look at my own code base to see how I actually handle it inside there. Yeah, I know that I'm looking at my own code again, but let's see. For then, I believe that I do something regarding that. This is the external prompt, okay? Default. No, the external prompt should be inside here, right? PWA. So that's it. Wow. Okay, that is fun, I guess. So that is interesting. It's like it seems that Corsair really don't have like any built-in object for accessing PWA, because I look at my own project which using not Corsair, but it's actually using Nuxt.js, and Nuxt.js has a progressive web app module which provides me with this beautiful thing called $PWA. So it seems that it's a bit hard for me to actually trigger the install like that. So yeah, we don't really have any for now, but I guess that like everything is already been considered for us. We have the cars icon here already. We have the necessary manifest already. We have every single worker file here already. So like it should work already. The thing is, it will be a bit tricky for me to really try to have a custom message on the application. So yeah, I don't know how to do that at the moment. I will need to look deeper, but at least at the moment the state of the application is it can work, and it currently work really well. I will do a little bit of adjustment later on, maybe today, maybe within the week, and within the week I will need to also consider sometimes for importing the data for the first week of starting, so we can actually begin to use this application from next Sunday, which I also need to think about how to deploy the thing up, which is fine. It's yeah, it will be so like a week of full action for me. Yeah, so I guess that is it for the day. I will continue to work with the progressive web app thing to see if I can make it a reality. If not, then I can just do things as like get the browser do everything for me, and I just need to guide them to click on the correct button and everything should be fine. We reach 0 now. Thank you very much if you're still staying. I hope you enjoy, and I also hope that you have a great Sunday. Goodbye and see you next time on Corridor 211. Peace.